Hey, how's it going, YouTube? This is Casual22, and I'm going to do a review on an application called AppBox Pro. You can get this application off the App Store for 99 cents. And this is similar to another review I did on one called All-in-One Game Box. So if you haven't checked that out, I suggest you go ahead and check that out as well. And so what AppBox Pro is, it's an application with a whole bunch of applications in one. So it's a pretty good deal for 99 cents off the App Store. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to you guys. So here, this is the main screen here with all the applications that are inside the AppBox Pro. You have battery life, a level, currency, dashboard, date calculator, days until, flashlight, holidays, a loan calculator. That one's for the ladies there. Use that if you please. Price grab, random, ruler, sales price, system info, tip calculator, translator, unit converter, and this as well. You can get to Google Books, Collapse, and Apple Web Apps. So let's go ahead and check out battery life. So this just shows your percentage of battery life you have left, time left on internet or Wi-Fi, time left on video games and applications, and your time left using audio. So it's pretty useful just in case you're curious how much time you have left on your battery. And to get back to the applications menu, all the apps in here have this app tab that you can just hit, and you're back to the main screen there. This is the level. If you need to calibrate it, it has a calibrating button, and you have two different modes. You have this sort of bubble, or you have this one, where you can have it in degrees, slope, percentage, or a pitch. So that's pretty cool. Uses the accelerometer pretty well. And then you have your currency converter. If you want to convert US dollars to euros, go ahead and just enter, say, we'll do 1. It's 0.73 euros there. Change it to 15, 10.96, and just clear it. And you have a whole bunch of different countries here. You can also, and if they don't have your country, you can go to the big list, and they just have just about every country imaginable, I think. I haven't gone through them all, but it's a pretty long list. Alright, the dashboard just sort of shows your memory and storage left, battery percentage left, upcoming holidays, and the most recent update done to the AppBox Pro application. I added the Fiji dollar to the currency, so it shows that there. But yeah, you can edit all these if you want. Show different number of rows here, what you want on and off. Date calculator, you can calculate either days between anything or days until something, or you can even look at like the lunar stuff, daylight savings time, stuff like that. Say I want to know how many days are between February 16th and 25th. It tells you that there's 9 days between there, and you can use the scrolling date calculator there, and it changes as you scroll through the different dates. Going backwards there. There we go. Alright, so that's pretty useful if you're trying to figure out how many days until something. And you have your flashlight, pretty standard, except this one you can change the color if you want. Don't know why you'd want a blue flashlight, but if you do, it's pretty cool. And you have your loan calculator. You can compare two loans if you want, or just do a current loan. So you have a $5,000 loan there, 5 years, 7% interest. Gives you all that data there. Your monthly payment, monthly average interest, total amount. And then if you want to change it, you can just click on the numbers. Oops. There. And you can change the years. It's 8 years with a 9% interest. There we go. It gives you all that data again. It's back to the apps here. Getting girls, if you want to use that, you can. Price grab just compares the price of two things. Again, you can change these numbers if you want. Say price is 5, quantity is 60 and 15 there. And it just tells you which one's the better deal to buy. You can change these numbers if you want, but I'm trying to keep this short, but there's a lot of applications to go through. Random, you can set these numbers, highest or lowest. Say 1 and 62, you can either click it or shake it. Or actually, hold on. Yeah. Yeah, I see, just click and shake there. Then ruler, don't really know if you need a ruler or not, but this application has one. You can just slide that little kind of circle thing there back and forth to measure something, and if you need to go further than a few inches, you can scroll back and forth there. If you need to change between centimeters and inches, just hit that arrow there. Okay, where were we? Sales price. Need to calculate a sales price. Let's say something's 50% off, $115. It's 57, and it tells you how much you save there. Let's say it's only 25% off. 86, you save 28. So you can change these numbers to whatever you need to. And you have your system info, just sort of gives you an overview of everything you're using on your iPod Touch or iPhone. Total size, your space used, your free space, and what it's doing with the memory. And you have a tip calculator. Just, if you're out to dinner, need to calculate the tip real quick. Just open this up. Say your dinner was $77, tax 7%. And you can change the tip percentage or click on it as well. And it gives you the tip amount, the total amount, and you can change the rounding method to up, exact, down, or don't even round. Whichever you want. You can change all those the way you want. Then we have a translator. I have where's the restaurant. Set your language from English to, go ahead and go to Greek there. And it translated into Greek. Or German, I guess I clicked. Oh well. But the translator works pretty good. Again, there's a bunch of languages in there. And then you have your unit converter, where it just has pretty much every unit imaginable. You can pretty much clear this, put in, so you put in 5, I don't even know, we're on feet, let's go something, so you're going acres to feet squared. Then it has every sort of different unit imaginable, from units of time, temperature, speed, cooking, density. You just click on one and you have the little scrollers you want to go through. You can favorite your different ones as well, but I haven't added any yet. So pretty much any unit you want to convert, right there in Unit Converter. And then again, if you need to get to Google Books, Collapse, or Apple Web Apps, they're on there too. So this has been a review of AppBox Pro, 99 cents on the App Store. great deal, and I definitely suggest picking it up. And this has been Castle22. Go ahead and check out my channel. If you like what you see, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.